Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Welcome once again to my channel. And if you're new here, you're just seeing this beautiful lovely face for the first time, hi, welcome to my channel. On this channel I talk about skincare, beauty tips, wellness and self-development videos. So if this sounds like topics you want to keep on hearing, this sounds like topics you're interested in, definitely make sure to hit that red subscribe button to get subscribed to my channel for free, guys. Yes, for free. And also don't forget to turn on your notification bell to get notified each time I upload a new video. All right, also make sure you go over to my channel to watch other videos on my channel, and I promise you guys you're going to love the experience. Like, you're not going to regret it at all. Now in today's video I'm going to be doing like a skincare update, like a little skincare update. Like, I'm going to be sharing my experience using 2 body lotions in my skincare routine to try to brighten up my skin. Yes, I know, right? 2 body lotions, but I'm going to explain later on in this video. So I'll be sharing my experience with you guys, the reason, yes, most especially the reason why I decided to opt for 2 body lotions. Yes, that is very important. I'll be telling you guys the reason for me using 2 body lotions. I'll also be teaching you guys or telling you guys how I went about it, how I was using it, how I mixed these 2 body lotions, and also telling you guys the do's and don'ts of using 2 body lotions, because as you already know, if you're not experienced in this, like, you don't have any idea about how to use 2 body lotions in your skincare routine, please don't go about using it without knowing. Just stick around to this video and I'm going to be sharing with you guys everything, all the secrets, all the hacks, the do's and don'ts of using 2 body lotions in your skincare routine. So if you're curious to know why I decided to start using 2 body lotions in my skincare routine, or you really want to start using 2 body lotions as well, but you have no idea at all about how to go about it, please don't go anywhere. Make sure you like this video and let's dive straight into it. Now, I know you might be wondering that, is it even possible? Like, I know you might be wondering that, is it possible to be using 2 body lotions at the same time? Yes, it's actually very possible, and I'm very sure, very sure I'm not the only one on this channel or in this world that basically have a collection of body lotions, right? So many people have collection of body lotions that they use at the same time. It just depends on how you use it. I'm not saying they use collection of body lotions all at once the same day, but it just depends on the kind of result you want to get, the reason for using them. Yes, you can have up to 2-3 body lotions you're using. It just depends on what you're using it for and knowing the right way to use them, which I'm going to be explaining in this video. So now let's start from why I started using 2 body lotions. So before, I used to use 1 brightening body lotion. I'm going to show you these 2 body lotions I used later on in this video. All right, so I used to use this lightening body lotion, and I just discovered that it was not giving me an even skin tone. Like, some part of my skin were still darker than others, and girl, I hate that. Like, I don't like that. What's that? Like, so I was just wondering, why would this lotion is not good? Why is it giving me this uneven skin tone? All right, and I also noticed that my skin gets dry easily, like quickly. Once I apply these body lotions, give it 1 hour, 2 hours max, my skin is already dry again. All right, and I was wondering why, like, why is my skin like this? Especially my feet. Like, I do notice that my feet, my hands, like my arm, always feeling dry. Even my legs, like my legs always feeling dry when I use these body lotions. So I started thinking that what could be the cause, because I've actually used this body lotion before. Like, this was not my first time of using this body lotion. I already made a review about that body lotion on this channel. I'm going to link it up here so that you go watch that if you haven't watched that, or if you're interested. Right, so I started doing my research and I found out that the reason why that body lotion, or why my skin was not evening out, was giving me uneven skin tone and dryness, was because my skin lacks moisture. My skin lacks hydration. So that body lotion was not giving my skin enough moisture, enough hydration to even out my skin, to blend out my skin and also moisturize my skin. Because as you already know, I think I've said it several times on this channel, that for even skin tone you need moisture. Like, for your light skin to make sense, like to be even, you need moisture and hydration. And I've always been preaching it on this channel as well, that most of these lightening body lotions dry out the skin. Like, it's rare for you to see a body lotion, a lightening body lotion, that claims to deeply moisturize or hydrate the skin. Like, let me know in the comment section if you have if you've used such a body lotion, because I don't think I've come across any such body lotion. All right, but if you have any body lotions like that lightens the skin very well and also hydrate the skin a lot, let me know in the comment section. All right, so most of these lightening body lotions do not provide any form of moisture or hydration on the skin, so you need something else. You provide that moisture, that hydration, and that was why I decided to get this second body lotion. All right, so if you're using a body lotion that dries out your skin or is not even out your skin, or let me just say if you're using a lightening body lotion, please girl, go get yourself a moisturizing body lotion. I'm serious. Like, if you want your light skin to really make sense, go get yourself an hydrating moisturizer. What I mean hydrating, very very hydrating, deeply moisturizing body lotions on your skin. You need it. Do that in your skincare routine. So because that lightening body lotion was drying out my skin, was not giving me blended skin, I decided to opt for another body lotion. Now you'll be wondering that, did I stop using this lightening body lotion when I got this moisturizing body lotion? No, I did not stop using my lightening body lotion. Now, another question you might be wondering is that, did I mix the two together before using? No, I did not mix the two together. In fact, never for any reason mix two body lotions together unless you are a formulator, an experienced pro mixer or something. Please do not mix body lotions together. Now let me tell you why. You see, all these body lotions are formulated in a different way. Like, they are formulated with different ingredients by different manufacturers. All right, so even if two body lotions contain the basic ingredients like water, stearic acid, cetyl alcohol, all those ones are basic, right? But there will still be some ingredients that is peculiar to a particular body lotion, because manufacturers are different, recipes are different, formulations are different. All right, so there will be some particular ingredient that is peculiar to a body lotion, then another body lotion also has another ingredient peculiar to it. All right, so you bringing these two body lotions together is a catastrophe. I'm serious. Now let me tell you, I think I've said it on this channel before, where I told you guys that there are some ingredients that do not mix well. Like, there are some skincare ingredients that do not go well, that if you mix them, you're just damaging your skin. Take for example vitamin C and AHA. Now these two ingredients do not mix together. I don't know, I'll try to link up the video where I talked about skincare ingredients that do not go with each other. I'll try to link it up here if I can find that video. All right, or you can go over to my channel to find that video and watch. It is very very important, very, very crucial when you're trying to like combine skincare products together, right? So now take for example vitamin C and AHA. These two ingredients do not mix well, they don't go well together. Now imagine your lightening body lotion as AHA, then your moisturizing body lotion as vitamin C. Now imagine combining these two body lotions together. Can you just imagine that in your mind? It's danger. It's danger. All right, so mixing body lotions will spoil your formulation, will spoil your skin and the likes. Now I was making use of vitamin C and AHA as an example. Now let's use that in body lotion. We all know that Dr. Teal's citrus vitamin C body lotion contains vitamin C, right? Then the Amlatin moisturizing body lotion contains was AHA, glycolic acid, 12%. Right, now you mix these body lotions together, God, you're going to regret that. I'm not even joking, you're going to regret that. So you need to check the ingredient list, be careful of how to mix all these body lotions, and that is why I said you need to be like a formulator or an experienced pro mixer before you can do this. If not, please don't mix two body lotions together. All right, now let me tell you how I did mine. So what I did was that I used these two body lotions differently. Like, I use them separately. Now before I continue, before I tell you guys how I did this, how I used them, let me introduce you guys to these two body lotions I'm talking about. So guys, this is the two body lotions. So this is the lightening body lotion. It's called the Pure Egyptian lightening body lotion that I was using, and then I discovered that this one was drying out my skin, so I decided to get this one. This is from Nivea. It's called the Nivea Perfect and Radiant body lotion. So I've reviewed this one too several times on my channel, because guys, this really changed my skin. Like, it really changed my skincare game. I'm not even capping. It's not as if this one is not good, because I told you guys I'm going to link that video up here that I've tried it before and it was nice on my skin, but it was drying out my skin. All right, though the first time I used this body lotion, I really did not take note whether it was drying out my skin, but now that I'm using it, now that I discovered that yes, it's drying out my skin, that was when I started doing my research, and I found out that most lightening products will dry out the skin. All right, now I also forget to mention that it is very very important to note this point. Lightening body lotions are best used at night. Please don't use if you have the means, like you have the money, please don't use your lightening body lotions during the day. Get another body lotion, a moisturizing body lotion like this one right here for daytime, right? Then use your lightening body lotion at night, because I think this was part of the reason why this body lotion right here was not evening out my skin, even though I knew that yes, it's not good to use lightening body lotions during the day, but my coconut head will not allow me. So I do use it during the day and sometimes at night. And the reason why I was using it during the day was because most times I don't really use them at night. All right, like I'll be so tired coming back from class, I'll be just so tired to even want to apply body lotions. All right, and most times I do feel heat during the night, so I prefer just applying it during the day. But now that I've learned my lesson, I'll just stick to nighttime. So it's better you use your moisturizing body lotion during the day while you use a brightening or lightening body lotion at night. So I was using this one during the day and this one at night, and that really helped, guys. Make sure you follow this tip. It really helped me a lot. Really helped my skin. My skin no longer feels dry and flaky. My skin started to even out. Like I started getting a blended skin. Like I started getting my skin back, so I was able to regain my even skin and fairness. All right, so as this moisturizing body lotion was moisturizing my skin in the morning, like during the day, and also repairing my skin, then the lightening body lotion was brightening up my skin and also repairing my skin at night. So that was basically how I was using this body lotion. And before I selected this body lotion, very important, I checked the ingredient list, so I know that none of these ingredients will contradict each other or will make this product react on my skin. Make sure you follow that tip as well. Read the ingredients list. Very important. I also noticed another thing while using these two body lotions. I noticed that my fairness, like the fairness on my skin now, is very calm. It's not harsh, doesn't look bleached at all. All right, that is very important to me. Like I just want it to be my natural skin tone, but giving me a clearer and blended skin. All right, because I know some people might be wondering or worried that using these two body lotions together might make them go dark. Like this Nivea body lotion might make them go dark, but honestly it didn't make me go dark. But I kind of like the fairness like it was giving me. It wasn't all this lousy, all this bleached skin look. No, like it was just complementing my natural complexion. All right, but then come to think of it, what's the essence of a light skin, like a very light yellow skin with an uneven skin tone? Like it doesn't make sense to me. So it's better for my skin complexion to reduce a bit and me have a blended skin and even skin tone than to have a very light yellow skin and everywhere is just Coke and Fanta. Like it doesn't make sense at all to me. But that's just my own honest opinion, right? So if you have a sensitive skin and your skin do react to product and you still feel like using a lightening body lotion, just make sure you get a moisturizing body lotion too. It's going to calm down, like it's going to calm the lightening effect of the lightening body lotion you're using. Also, if you're scared that a body lotion might be too harsh on your skin because you've not tried it before, you don't know what to expect on your skin, the reaction to expect on your skin, just try pairing it with a moisturizing or repair body lotion that will help to calm down the effect, the harsh effect of these lightening body lotions. All right, so that's it, guys. That's the current updates. This is the two body lotions I'm currently using, guys, and I've shared my experience with you guys, the reason why I was using them and how to use it. Please, guys, don't mix your body lotions. Don't mix it together. If you are not an experienced pro mixer, don't mix your body lotion. And also make sure that you're using a lightening body lotions at night while you use this one during the day. And please, yes, I forgot another thing, sunscreen. Guys, don't joke with your sunscreen, please, especially for your face, your neck, places that will be exposed when you wear your clothes. Please make sure you're applying sunscreen in those areas. Very important for you to have that even skin tone, like blended skin. I really forgot to mention that while I was talking. It is very important, sunscreen. All right, so that will be all, guys. Let me know in the comment section if you've tried any of these body lotions before and what was the result you got, or if you've tried any two body lotions together before and the reason why you were doing that. Just let us know. Give us your review in the comment section. All right, thanks so much for watching, guys. I really hope this video was helpful, and I really hope this video will help somebody here to make an informed decision about using two body lotions together in their skincare routine. All right, I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoy watching this video, please give this video a huge thumbs up by liking this video, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so for more skincare tips. All right, thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.